This is what I used to use to cut metal. Every metal I ever had. This is what I used to use. But now, I have this. The maximum 14-inch heavy-duty chop saw. It's got a quick release clamp, pivoting fence, and a big nice 14-inch blade. So, we're going to see what it can do. This is it. Push down, pull the pin out, it releases. It's got an adjustable gate, so you can angle it if you need to. Device that locks. Adjusting the depth of the blade for when the blade gets worn down. Now, this is a metal cutting blade. That being said, it's not for cutting tile. It's not for cutting interlock. It's definitely not for cutting granite. It's also not for cutting plastic or synthetic. Or 2x4s. Or trim. And definitely not firewood. We're going to try it on some metal. First thing we'll try is something nice and easy. This little piece of aluminum. Set it in here. Push the guide in. Lock it in. Make sure you get it up to full speed before you chop it. Hearing and eye protection. Cut through that nicely. But that's just aluminum. Maybe you can use it on wrought iron fence. Here we go. That was a pretty tough wrought iron, but she did it. It'll get used a lot on rebar for when you do concrete. So let's cut some rebar. If you're going to do any kind of fencing, you'll be cutting tubing. So, let's just give this a whirl and see how it cuts this. Perfect. I think this is a great machine, and it's going to come in really handy this summer. Now that's tested for life in Canada.